This is going to blow your mind. The secret to a flawless anesthesia thesis is just a call away. Welcome to Sona Thesis Consultancy, your one-stop solution for top-notch anesthesia thesis writing in India. Based in Delhi, we cater to students, researchers, and professionals across the nation, providing expert guidance and support. Our specialized writing services in anesthesia are designed to help you ace your postgraduate or doctoral research. With a team of experienced medical writers, subject matter experts, and research analysts, we ensure your thesis is well-structured, deeply researched, and meets all academic standards. Here's what we offer: comprehensive thesis writing assistance. From drafting and formatting to structuring your research, extensive literature review, in-depth analysis of existing research and relevant studies, data collection and analysis, support with both qualitative and quantitative methodologies, manuscript writing and publication, helping you publish in reputed medical journals, plagiarism checking and editing, ensuring originality and clarity with professional editing, research proposal writing, crafting compelling proposals for academic approval and funding. Why choose Sona Thesis Consultancy? Because we provide expert writers specializing in anesthesia and medical sciences, customized solutions tailored to your research needs and university guidelines, on-time delivery ensuring your deadlines are met, affordable pricing without compromising on quality, Pan-India support through online consultations and remote assistance. For top-notch thesis writing services in anesthesia, reach out to Sona Thesis Consultancy in Delhi today. Achieve academic excellence with our expert help. Location Delhi, India. Contact +9111 4157 8576. Email info@stc4medicos.com. Website www.stc4medicos.com.